Hello, I'm your new neighbor. Hi, welcome to the building. Thank you. I just moved in today. That's great. My name is Omar. Nice to meet you, Omar. I'm Ali. Nice to meet you too. The place looks nice and quiet. Yes, it's a very calm area. Are there any shops nearby? Yes, there is a supermarket around the corner.
That's good to know. I need to buy some things. You can also find a pharmacy next to the supermarket. Perfect. That's very helpful.
No problem, I'm happy to help. Do you live here alone? Yes, I live alone. What about you? I live alone too. That's nice. We can be good neighbors. Yes, I hope so. If you need anything, just let me know. Thank you. I really appreciate that. You're welcome. That's what neighbors are for. Do you usually stay at home in the evening? Sometimes, or I go out for a walk. That sounds nice. Yes, there is a park nearby. Maybe we can go there together sometime. I'm happy to meet you today. Sure, that would be great. Me too. Welcome again. Hello, I'm here to visit you.
Hi, Omar. Come in.
Thank you. How are you today?
I'm good. I missed you.
I missed you too.
Would you like something to drink? Yes, I'd like some juice.
Sure, I'll get it for you.
Your house looks very nice.
Thank you. I'm glad you like it.
Here is your juice.
Thank you, it looks fresh.
So, how is your work these days?
It's good, but a bit busy.
You should take some rest.
Yes, that's why I came to visit you.
I'm happy you came. Let's have dinner together later.
Me too, I feel relaxed here. That sounds great.
Dinner is ready. Come and sit.
It smells really good.
I made your favorite meal.
Thank you. You always remember.
Of course, you're my brother.
I appreciate that a lot.
How does it taste?
It's delicious. I love it.
I'm glad you like it.
This is the best meal I had this week.
Let's sit and have some tea.
That sounds nice.
Do you remember our old days?
Yes, we had a lot of fun.
We used to play together every day. I really miss those days.
Yes, those were good times. Me too, they were special.
I'm happy we are together now.
Me too, this makes me feel relaxed.
Let's watch a movie together.
Great idea!
What kind of movie do you like?
I like action movies.
I prefer comedy.
Let's choose something funny and exciting.
Okay, this movie looks good.
Yes, let's watch it.
The movie is really interesting.
Yes, I'm enjoying it a lot.
Let's go for a walk outside.
That sounds great.
The weather is really nice today.
Yes, it's perfect for walking.
I like this quiet street. Do you come here often?
Me too, it's very peaceful. Yes, I walk here in the evening.
I feel relaxed now.
Me too, it's a nice time together.
Let's sit here and relax.
Yes, this place is very peaceful.
Let's learn some new English words.
Good idea.
The word calm means
Okay, calm means quiet and relaxed.
The word nature means
I like nature, it's beautiful.
the word fresh air means
Fresh air makes me feel better.
let's go somewhere else.
Sure, where do you want to go?
Let's drive to the beach.
That sounds great.
I'll get in the car.
I'll start the engine.
The road looks clear today.
Yes, the drive will be easy.
I'm excited to see the sea.
Me too, it will be relaxing.
We are here. The beach looks beautiful.
Yes, the view is amazing.
I love the sound of the waves.
It makes me feel relaxed.
Let's walk near the water.
Okay, be careful.
The weather is perfect today. I'm really enjoying this time.
Yes, not too hot. Me too, it's a great day.
Let's go to that cafe near the beach.
Good idea, it looks nice.
I like the view from here.
Yes, you can see the sea clearly. Welcome, what would you like?
I'd like a coffee, please.
I'll have a cold drink. Excellent choices. Sure, I'll bring your order.
This place is very relaxing.
Yes.
It's a perfect way to end the day. This place is so nice. I don't want the day to end.
Me too, I wish we could travel somewhere.
Why don't we plan a short trip?
That's a great idea.
We can go to a nearby city this weekend.
Yes, it will be fun. I can book a hotel.
I will prepare the bags.
Perfect, I'm excited already.
Good morning. Are you ready for the trip?
Yes, I'm ready and excited.
Did you pack everything?
Yes, I packed my clothes and essentials.
Let's leave early to avoid traffic.
Good idea.
The road looks clear today.
Yes, the drive will be smooth.
I'm really excited for this trip.
Me too, it's going to be fun.
We are here. The hotel looks very nice.
Yes, it looks comfortable.
Let's go to the reception.
Okay.
Welcome. Do you have a reservation?
Yes, under the name Omar.
Here is your room key.
Thank you. The room is clean and beautiful.
Yes, it's perfect for us.
Let's go out and explore the city.
Yes, I want to see new places.
The word explore means
Okay, explore means to see new things.
the word crowded means
This street is very crowded.
the word landmark means
I want to visit a famous landmark.
the word map means
Let's use a map to find places.
the word ticket means I need a ticket for the bus.
This street is very long.
The word street means
Let's go into that shop.
the word shop means
This street is very long.
the word price means
The price is a bit high.
the word open means
The shop is open now.
oh, this street is very crowded.
Yes, there are many people here.
Oh no, I think I lost my bag.
Really? Where did you last see it?
I'm not sure, maybe in that shop.
Let's go back and check.
Are you looking for this bag? Yes, that's my bag. Thank you so much.
That was close.
Yes, I need to be more careful next time.